Continue. Next one, Rebbe. One who has a Rebbe who taught him the most of his Torah learning, free of charge, so meaning he did not charge anything, would be obligated to help support the Rebbe if he is in financial need. Okay, such a Rebbe would even be taking precedence over one's parents. Right? So because why? Because he's a rabbi. I mean, and those my biological parents. So what's the difference? For one's parents brought him to this world, Alam Hazeh, but by teaching him Torah, a Rebbe helps him to merit the future world, Alam Haba. So which is Alam Haba is forever, and this world is temporary. Right? So if you have a choice, like hopefully we're not going to have a choice, but we know what priority is. Okay. Continue. Of course, if you can help both, you're obligated to help both. It's not a question. So we're talking about if you can help only one and right, and that's it. So that's what we do. Continue. One would also be obligated to help a Rebbe who taught him most of his learning, even if the Rebbe received money for teaching, but still finds himself financial need. However, one's parents would take precedence over him. It is unclear whether such a Rebbe takes precedence over grandparents or older children. So let's do this paragraph again, and we're going to explain. So if this Rebbe taught you without taking money, so he's for sure taking precedence, right? But I would say, like, it's my personal understanding of all this pay to the Rebbe. So in many times they just getting peanuts, like very, very tiny salary, just survive for like below survival level. You understand? So of course we must have a gratitude, and we owe them much more. So even if he took some money, so it was for sure less than he deserved, much less. But okay. So I'll continue. One more time. One would also be obligated to help Rabbi who taught him most of his learning, meaning the most of the Torah was learned from this Rabbi. Right? Today, it's not so simple as learned in Rambam Hilchas Talmud Torah, because many people also like learn from books a lot. Right, so it would be not like most of the information he got from the Rebbe, but it would be combination of self-study and then and the Rebbe. Continue. Even if the Rebbe received the money for the teachings, right? So but as I said, I think the way I understand it, they don't get a lot, right? But still finds himself in financial need. So meaning. So even he received money, but he still needs more. Okay, so we have to help the Rebbe. However, one's parents would take precedence over him, right? Why? Because this nuance that he was paid. It is unclear whether the Rebbe takes precedence over grandparents or older children. Okay, that's a different story. We're going to get to older children. Right, because why we're not obligated to support our all the children, and sometimes the parent can come to me and like he said, I hardly can pay this and that, and for my child they ask you, and for this, for that, and I ask how old is your older child? 25 years old. That's amazing. I mean, they should support you. You should not support them, right? So of course we're not obligated to support the older children, right? So, but it's going to be 100% tzedakah since you're not obligated. Poskim, however, maintain that nowadays, when have many sforim, from which we learn these dinim of the Rebbe do not apply. Okay, as we said exactly. Okay, so this Rebbe, okay, many say. I mean, even not nowadays. No, it's actually about. It was a commentary on Rambam. It was a commentary on Rambam. So since the books are more accessible, right? In olden days, it was actually halacha. So if you buy books, right, you must share with others. Like it's not like I want to only read myself. So because you have to spread the Torah, and most of the people could not afford books, and all of the books were community owned. So like in some cases, the people would be able to make each other to collect money, right? To buy the books, so they can learn Torah books. Not only like Torah scroll, it's needless to say, but even Torah books to learn from.